Hi, my name is Maisha of Plentiful Hair Studio, and Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice that specializes in hair loss solutions for those suffering from thinning hair and hair loss. I wanted to respond to a DM I received that wanted to know why we charge for consultations. Right, and the advice to me was to not charge for consultations, and which um, thank you for the feedback. I appreciate it. But we have to charge for consultations because people we want serious inquiries only. We just want to see if you're really serious. That's what we want. For years, for the most of my time doing this, we have had complimentary consultations, and it was wonderful. I met a lot of people, but I did have a lot of guests or potential guests not show up for the consultation. And with a private business, when it's just you, this is your time. So when I have a consultation, I set the mood, y'all. Make sure the salon is nice and inviting. I make sure the coffee is ready. I make sure your forms are prepared. I make sure there's beverages for you. I make sure you have ultimate privacy. I ensure your comfort 100%. So when you don't show up, it's a private practice. So that time you've wasted for me and for a potential guest who could have taken this slot. As a business owner, I can tell you that I have learned that people don't value free. They put no value in it. When you have complimentary things, you're going to have some people who really appreciate it, but you're going to have a vast majority of the people really not value the service, your time. So that is the reason. However, the thing about it is the consultation fee is applied to whatever service you book. So that's one. Number two, since we've implemented the consultation fee, it's been wonderful. I haven't had no call, no shows. I have had a couple, but not a lot. And I really just have people who are really, really serious in our services. And that is the reason that we have a consultation fee. But it is a delightful consultation. Once you leave your consultation, you're going to have an idea. Even if you decide not to pursue services with Plentiful Hair Studio, you will leave knowing what you can do. You will leave with an idea of what options you have. We have guests who have a consultation and I don't hear from them for 6 months to a year. That's a part of this. I accept it. At least you have an idea. You have the knowledge to make a decision later on down the line that is going to help you with your confidence. So I know that my job is done with that. During the consultations, because of the videos we have online, they come, guests finish my sentences. They know what I'm about to say already because they've watched it. They say they know already. I appreciate that as well. So yes, there is a consultation fee, but it is worth it. www.plentifulhairstudio.com